Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Border Busters, and today we are actually going to be doing our DJ booth kind of. So we're going to be able to touch some like DJ stuff, and it'll play some noises. So first, let's add a new part, and I'm trying to figure out where the DJ booth could be. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna scale it up just like this. I'm gonna anchor it. Sorry guys. Just gotta get off this. Oh, and by the way, I'm taking the walls now and I'm going to select all of them, Control G, and put them into a model just so I don't have to bug touching all of the walls and stuff. It just makes kind of stuff easier. Alright, so I'm going to make this color dark gray. Actually, I'm gonna make this a light gray. And then I'm gonna add a circle after I make this a bit bigger. Okay, so we're gonna add a new part. I'm gonna make it a cylinder, and I'm gonna color this a gray, and I'm gonna rotate it so it's like this. So yeah, there we go. And just make one for now. You'll see why in just a sec. And I thought for making this DJ stuff, I thought, it's kind of fun. Like, why not do it? And I'm going to go to models, and I'm going to move 0 studs. That's going to help me a bit more adjust it so it looks nicer. Okay. Yeah, we could fix this. Right, there we go. Make sure this is anchored. And we are going to I'm not sure what these DJ things are called, but I'm just going to call it DJ radio or something like, I don't know. I'm just gonna call it DJ DJ noise part. There we go. Now in the DJ noise part, as you can see, we have don't worry about that. Just don't worry about that. Even if you don't have one of the welds, you don't really need it. I don't even know why it gave me a weld. Okay, now we are going to add a new thing to it, and this is going to be not in the recently used, so we're going to type in CLI and click detector right there. And we are going to go to Home, Toolbox, go to the audio section, and I'm going to put DJ noise. DJ sound. DJ sound. There we go. I like that one. So we're going to put this DJ sound effect right here. And I'm just going to rename this to SFX. Perfect. Now, we're going to add a simple script to this. So add a script, delete the print hello world, and we're going to do function, and let's call this play, and we'll add our parentheses, and we'll make that function. Now we're going to connect the function. So we're going to do script dot parent dot click detector dot mouse click connect play. So what this does is the script's parent, so the DJ's noise part, and its child click detector. See the click detector right here. And then when the mouse clicks this, it will connect this. And this is going to be super simple. We're going to make a new variable. And let's call this local DJ equals script dot parent. And now we're going to do so we're going to do what was it? DJ dot where was it? SFX play. And let's see if that works. And if it doesn't, we have the output to know what to fix. Alright, let's see if that works. Yes, it does work. Awesome. Now we could go back here and we could play the noise. I think, to be honest with you, I'm gonna turn the volume up to like 1. And yeah. Let's call this let's rename the script to sound script. Alright, sound script. Let's X out of this. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna modify my thing a bit, just make it a little bit better, more lights in the background probably, but you guys could do that on your own. But in the meantime, or before that, we're gonna Control D, duplicate that, and we will take this right over here. There we go. And then we're going to delete this SFX, go to the toolbox, and go to another sound. I like this one, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do this one. There we go. And I'm going to rename this to SFX. There we go. Now, if we play our game, we're going to try it. I'm probably going to make my thing bigger. And we could play our noises. It's pretty cool. Again, I'm going to make my whole room look more DJ, kind of. And I'm going to take the DJ noise parts and move them up a bit. There we go. I don't know what we could do next. We might be able to make a disco, kind of a disco floor. That would be really fun. I think we probably will be able to make a disco floor, replace this floor right here and make like a dance floor. That would take a bit, but I think we could do that. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So please make sure to like and subscribe and go check out my my website on for Boredom Busters. It's on one of my videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.